Squeaky, squeaky. To make it squeaky, squeaky. Squeaky, squeaky. Yeah, did you make it squeaky, squeaky? What are you saying? What are you whispering? You gonna whisper today? Is today birdie whisper day? Is there more in there? More rattles in there? More rattles in there? I don't think you need any more out of there, do you? Nah, I don't think you do. I don't think you need more rattles. You don't need more rattles. You don't need Snoopy either. Huh? You don't need Snoopy? No Snoopies today. No, we don't need Snoopies today. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm tired. I need sleep. I was up to almost 1 o'clock last night because of the wind. And you slept right through it. And the wind blew down power lines and caught trees on fire back the lane. And the fire company had to come and PPL had to come. And our power flashed off for a minute. Then it came back on. They had fire trucks back the lane and trees on fire and brush on fire. And the wind was a-blowing and a-howling. And Max was in here snoring away. You didn't even know there was trucks right outside your window, did you? Beeping and going up in the air and all kinds of stuff. Oh, you ripped his ear off. That shocked you, didn't it? Did that shock you? His ear fell off. My gosh, you ripped off his ear. He only has an arm left. Can you get hold of him? Oh, he does have a nose and lips. Oh. Does he have a nose and lips? No, you're not bringing him up here. No, not doing it. Maxwell. Maxwell. Yep, there goes the arm. Max, I don't want you up here with that thing. A high of 70 this afternoon. Ah. Can you get it? Oh, there goes his lips. Time for the nose. I need to hold on to it, so don't be aggressive with me. Or I'll throw it on the floor. I saw the look in your eyes. I saw the look in your birdie eyes. You were ready to attack it. Because I was holding on to it. Right? They're playing Tina Turner. It's your song. Better be good to me. Prisoner of your love. Entangled in your web. I think there's more parts inside there. More parts inside there, isn't there? There's another ear in there. Or no, that's a tongue, I think. Alright, say goodbye to everybody.